Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do a detailed review of a new TWS earphones from Oppo, the Oppo Enco W31, a true wireless earphones with really good features being offered. Now the earphones are priced at 399, that's 4,000 rupees in India and available on Amazon. So we have shared the link to the product in the description of this video. In case you plan to buy this after watching this review, you can go ahead and buy it from the link in the description. So now getting started. So we have seen a lot of TWS earphones in India. Now Oppo is also bringing their good Enco series to India. We have already done videos on the Oppo Enco M31, which is wireless earphones, but these are TWS or rather true wireless earphones. Now we have the Oppo Enco W31. I can see the box package mentions some of the features. Fast pair is there, then we have bass mode is included, dual microphones, wear detection, touch controls, IP54 rated. So these are some of the features being offered on the Oppo Enco W31. So now let's go deep into the review to see how these earphones are in terms of sound quality, the bass performance, the voice calls, the battery life, the comfort of wearing. Everything we'll be analyzing in this video. So let's get started. First up, let's have a look at the design and build quality. Now design wise, you can see the case which comes with the box feels kind of refreshing. We have seen almost all of the earphones having a box kind of finishing or other design. Now here Oppo has gone for a circular case. Now the case is pretty neatly built. You can see that the design also feels pretty good. You can also see it's very slim and sleek looking earphones. Now the case also has a USB Type-C port charging at the back, which is again neatly integrated. Even if you keep it flat, you can charge it without hindering it. So that's something which is pretty good in terms of design aspect. You can also see the Oppo logo at the top. Now if you open the case, you can see that the earphones, there is an LED indicator showing the battery charge available. When you are charging, it goes to red. We have the button here to pair it and the earphones. So you can see that the case also looks really good. You can see the glossy finishing inside gives it a good feel altogether. So overall design wise, the earphones, the case looks really good. Now let's take the earphones out of the case. Now when you take it out, you can see that there is a charging mechanism here. So these are the two charging options. So there you go, that's the charging ports available. Now let's keep this aside and we'll concentrate on the earphones. So these are the earphones. So you can see that the build quality looks pretty good. Now one thing which we really liked about these earphones are the design. You can see these are not the typical kind of earphones which mimic the Apple's AirPod design. This is completely a new and refreshing design, and you can also see that the overall the design aspect looks really good. The charging ports are on the side rather than the bottom, and you also get dual microphone here. You can see there is one mic here at the top and the second microphone is at the bottom. So there are dual microphones. Now if you look at the design comfort level, this is something which we really liked. Of all the TWS earphones we have used in the 2020, some of them have had comfortable fit, but then they fall off while you exercise or jog, and some of them are really too tight that if you use for like more than an hour, you get pain in the ears or you get stressed out. But these were something which we really liked because of the comfort factor. Even after like 2 hours of continuous usage, 2 to 2.5 hours of continuous usage, we didn't feel any sort of pain in the ears. So that's something which Oppo has done really well in terms of the design aspect, and the comfort feels really good. Now you can also see that these are made of really good material. You can see that the glossy finishing. Here also you can see there is a brushed finish on the top, which gives a good feel altogether. So that's the finishing. Now overall the build quality definitely feels really premium on the Oppo Enco W31. So that is the design, build quality and the comfort level. So overall all the three aspects we are quite satisfied. Now next let's talk about other features being offered. So these earphones are IP54 rated. That's something which is really good. Water and dust resistant capabilities are included. It's not just the sweat. You can see that there is IP54 rating, and this feels pretty good. Now it has Bluetooth 5.0 with around 10 meters range. Then the range was pretty good. We have been using this for almost like 2 weeks and we never felt any sort of disconnection even when you move around from one room to another. So the Bluetooth connectivity was also pretty good. Now talking about the drivers, so these earphones come with 7nm dynamic drivers, and it also supports codec. The AAC codec is supported here. Now next let's talk about the latency and gaming options. Now we have tried gaming with the TWS. We played PUBG Mobile, and what we felt was the latency is kind of okay. It may not be the perfect one, of course, because these are wireless earphones. You won't get the exact kind of experience while using a wired earphones. Now if you look at the gaming abilities, the latency, these are not really suited for extreme gamers. For example, if you are doing casual gaming, these are kind of acceptable, but for extreme gamers we won't recommend this, because there is a bit of latency issues here, and not an issue actually, but for the price segment it is being offered, the latency feels quite okay. So that's the gaming aspect. So ideally if you are a gamer, it may not be the best one, but if you do casual gamings with PUBG, then these are kind of okay. Now next is the calls. So here we have really good performance overall, because there are two microphones on each earbuds. So one is on the top, the other one is at the bottom. Now the advantage of having two microphones on the earphones is that you get the basic noise cancellation. That means the environment noise cancellation is done here, so it helps in reducing the outside noise when you are using the earphones for calls. So that works here, and the call quality was really good. We accepted almost all the calls during the testing with these earphones, and we did not have any sort of issues, and the voice clarity was good, the sound was good, and the overall performance was very good. Now let's also talk about the touch controls. Now there are touch controls. The left earphones, if you double tap here, it goes to the equalizer. Basically there is a balanced mode and bass mode. By default, if you start the playback, it will be balanced probably, and then if you double tap, it goes to the bass mode. Now on the right one, you have double tap to skip to the next track, and if you triple tap, it goes to the voice assistant, that's Google, or rather which one is configured on your phone, it goes to the voice assistant. Now if you look at the sensors, you have this wear detection, and here we have a sensor here. So there you can see that there are sensors for wear detection. So as soon as you remove these earphones from your ear, the music playback stops, and as soon as you keep them back, the music starts again. So there is wear detection and it works flawlessly. Now talking about the sound quality. Now first of this, we'll talk about the bass performance. Now as I said before, there is a bass mode included. By default the sound quality is really good and the bass performance is pretty good. Now if you want more bass, you can go for the bass mode, which delivers really crispy and punchy bass. So if you are a person who loves a lot of bass, you can go with the bass mode. And the good thing about this is that even if you go to the bass mode, there isn't any distortion in the overall sound quality. There is a good balance in the quality of the sound, and even in bass mode, the overall sound performance was pretty good. Now the voice clarity is again something which is really good. The mids and the highs are really good, and the vocals also was really good on the Oppo Enco W31. So we did not have any sort of issues on this. So the Oppo Enco W31 is a really good performer in terms of the sound clarity. Now the max volume was also really good on this. We played in around 85 to 90% of the volume. The volume definitely goes high, but then you don't have to play in 100% because the volume is definitely higher. You can play in around 85 to 90% of the volume, which still gives you good performance. Now battery life. So Oppo claims that in a single charge these earphones can last 3.5 hours. So we got around close to 3 hours, which is kind of acceptable, and with the case you can get almost close to 15 hours is what Oppo claims. So it should be possible, around 13-14 hours should be possible with these earphones. So that's the battery life. Now how good is these earphones for 3,999 pricing? So that's the bigger question. Now if you're looking for a really good earphones with good comfort levels, good balance in terms of the sound clarity, good bass performance, then IP54 rating, and extremely well built earphones, the Oppo Enco W31 is probably the best you can get below the 5,000 price segment. The only downside probably is it's not really suited for heavy gamers. Other than that, we probably like these earphones. They are probably the best if you are a person who is looking for the best earphones in terms of the sound quality, calls, and the comfort levels. Without doubt, the Oppo Enco W31 is the pick in the sub 5K price segment. So that was the detailed review of the Oppo Enco W31. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you plan to buy these earphones, we have the link in the description of this video. You can go ahead and buy this from Amazon. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.